Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can register for my channel and receive everything you need to actually scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. So I'm going to talk about 4 trends that are really important that can scale your cleaning business right now and towards 2021. So 4 things you can do that's kind of trending but really hasn't taken off. So there's a lot of room still for you and your cleaning business to get it going and make sure that you do not miss out on what you need to do to scale your business to six figures and beyond. So the first thing, and I will always talk about the basic of the framework for my cleaning businesses, has been 3 main areas: customer attraction, customer acquisition, and customer retention. And one of the areas that you retain your customers is through training your employees well. I cannot emphasize that enough. Now, when I first got started, I was actually cleaning Office Depot warehouses. And at one of the Office Depot warehouses, there was a manager that asked me, how do I actually have any difference between my employees and all the other employees, because they're all coming from the same pool of people? And I thought about that for a second, and I said, well, the only thing that you're going to be able to do is to train them in a way that's going to make them different for your cleaning company. So let's say they came from another cleaning company, or they've had their own, or they've been working as a janitor or custodial, and they have certain ways that they're used to doing certain things. It's true. We're pretty much pulling from the same cleaning crew. The difference is going to be how you train them. So employee training is really important, and make sure that you have a system set up that's going to train your employees the way you want to train them, that is going to be about your mission, your core values, and your culture. The second thing you want to look at is green cleaning. Green cleaning had kind of gone down for a while, but it will never go away. And green cleaning is really important when it comes to the environment. And a lot of companies, that's what is one of their main important purposes for being in the cleaning industry, that they care about the environment and they want to make sure that they do the green cleaning that's going to represent their company. So green cleaning is another trend that's kind of coming back around, but it really never went anywhere. Now there's various methods that you can do for green cleaning, so check into them and make sure that you're using the right chemicals and every type of technique and procedure when it comes to green cleaning. The next thing you want to look at are add-on services. So you might want to add on like HVAC, pest control, landscaping. I love landscaping and security. Those were 2 of my favorite. We did really well doing security with HOA associations, and that was a big one. And then we started doing the landscaping and snow removal. So those are really big. You can do snow removal. You can do, if you're in Florida, like, we were, when we first got started, we were in the Florida area only. We started doing like the palms, when you're doing the palm trees, and we started doing those. And then we started doing stuff like raking leaves, snow removal, all kinds of lawn care maintenance. And then we added security as well. So there's a lot of things you can do for add-on services that are going to instantly give you a boost. We did upholstery. We started cleaning carpets and draperies. You'd be surprised. People need their draperies cleaned throughout community centers and a lot of different areas because it holds an odor. And so they want, and it's a necessary type of cleaning. The other thing you might want to check into, and it may be a little bit challenging for you, is crime scene cleanup. Crime scene cleanup is a big one. There is, you do have to definitely do training. And it's not for everyone, but it is definitely a market you want to check into. The other thing is, in addition to add-ons, is specializing in an industry, whether it be facilities, dentist office, dentistry, or daycare, post-construction. Specializing is different than add-on. There's 2 different things there. So make sure you understand the difference in a specialized when you're specializing in one area of the industry, and when you're adding on a service or a division within your cleaning company. Now, you want to make sure that you crawl, then you walk, then you run. So if this is a little bit much for you right now, then just really wait. I would highly suggest and recommend that until you're bringing in $5,000 a month in one of the areas. Really focus on that one area and concentrate in bringing $5,000 a month. 5,000 is going to be halfway to the six-figure mark. So concentrate on bringing in $5,000 a month. Really get that where you're receiving that every month, and then focus on the add-ons and the specialties. But if you want, you may want to start off with the specialized service from the beginning. That's what we did, and it really made a difference in our cleaning business. And then do the add-ons. But the specialized and really making sure you train your employees, I would look at doing right away. So I really hope this helps. If you want to learn so much more about all of what I've gone through and more, then make sure you register for my escape, the six-figure escape route. That is going to get you from working for someone else in a cleaning business where you're doing all the work. It is an escape route on how to get your cleaning business to six figures and beyond within a year. So there's a specific time frame. It's not like whenever. It's specifically within a year. Everything we do shows you how to get there within a year or less. So we were able to do that, and I want to share that with you as well. So make sure you click the link to register for this live masterclass. It's around 80 minutes or so. Bring your pen and paper, because you're going to have a lot of notes that you're going to take at the end of the masterclass on what you can do to implement right now, actionable items to get you from A to G and from G to Z. So that's what we're looking at. So until next time, be safe, take care, and this is Mrs. M. Bye-bye.